motion on the floor of the House, because that's the work of...
Let's now head to Nakuru County, where 2 morgue attendants at the Nakuru Level 5 hospital mortuary linked to the disappearance of the body of a 7-month-old baby, Mercy Chepngeno, at the hospital morgue were arraigned in court today.
The 2, Michael Nderito and Mary Mudhoni, were charged with the offense of unlawfully hindering the burial and were released on cash bail.
Meanwhile, Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika and Nakuru Water and Sanitation Company Nawasco CEO James Nganga have been hit with a 2 million shillings fine for contempt of court on the continued pollution of Lake Nakuru with toxic and untreated wastewater.
Our reporter Ken Gashuhi with the details.
2 morgue attendants from Nakuru Level 5 Hospital were arraigned in court on Tuesday over the mysterious disappearance of the body of a 7-month-old baby Mercy Chepngeno. Michael Nderito, the morgue supervisor, and his deputy Mary Mudhoni faced charges of unlawfully hindering the burial. They denied the charges and were released on a cash bail of 100,000 shillings each. The infant's body went missing 2 weeks ago while awaiting burial, raising serious questions about the hospital's operations. The incident has put 7 staff members under scrutiny, with the hospital's disciplinary committee recommending the dismissal of 5 and the interdiction of 2 employees. In a different case, Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika and Nakuru Water and Sanitation Company Nawasco CEO James Nganga have been fined 2 million shillings for contempt of court. The penalty follows their failure to comply with a court order issued in September last year, directing them to stop discharging untreated wastewater into Lake Nakuru. The petition was filed by Baboon Project, an environmental NGO over concerns about toxic pollution threatening Lake Nakuru's ecosystem, now home to freshwater fish. The court further ordered the 2 to restore the lake's condition within the next 6 months.
Hoping that the county would get to do the right thing, and the water company, they stop disposing of the sewage and start the restoration process. When it comes to 6 months, the lake should be fresh. Maybe we would conduct tests on the lake to see if there's any change.
Elsewhere, Sarah Wairimu, widow of the late Dutch businessman Top Cohen, will remain in custody at Langata Women's Prison as she faces fresh charges linked to her husband's 2019 murder. This follows a ruling by Justice Diana Kavedza, who granted an application by the Directorate of Public Prosecutions to remand Wairimu until key witnesses testify. The prosecution argued that Wairimu might interfere with witnesses under protection, a claim her lawyers disputed, noting that she had previously been out on bond without any incident. Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
From the corridors of justice to health matters now, where officers from the Ministry of